I don't want to do this.
Jessica, just do it. Introduce us. Come on, do the introduction. Do it. Come on now, do it.
Introducing the newest members of the BeeHive fraternity. I don't even understand why. Get information.
Surfboard.
Line. Step.
Daddy from Alabama, Mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, get this Texas Bama. Surfboard.
Line. Introduce yourself.
I am newest member of the BeeHive, straight chapter of Alpha, Kappa, Omega, Phi, Theta, Mason, Big Brother, Burpie.
I am the newest member of the BeeHive, Kappa, Alpha, Omega, Phi, Theta, Mason, Big Brother,
Line. Get information.
Surfboard.
Line. March out.
She been drinking watermelon. Hey. She been drinking watermelon. Hey.